Here comes the summary of factorization of px² plus qx plus r. Here you can see that the coefficient of x² can be other numbers, not necessary to be 1. For example here, factorize 4x² plus 8x plus 3. This time you have to think about how to get the 4x². So as you know, it can be 4x times x. It can be 2x times 2x. Okay, if it has other possible combination, you need also to think about it. And then how about the last one, for the 3? You know that for the 3 here is an applied number, so you know that it's just 1 times 3. And then what you need to get the middle one, the middle term is 8x, so you need to think how to put it in a good position to get the answer. So you find that the first one cannot do it. For example, you say plus 3 plus 1, okay, you find that it cannot possible to make 8x. Even you put the plus 1 plus 3 here, also cannot be possible. If not, you can try on your own. Even you do like this, then you can see that the first one would be plus 3x and then plus 4x. It doesn't help. Even the next one, you times this combination, okay, so you get plus x and then plus 12x. Also, it can't help. However, if you're using the second set, plus 3 plus 1, then you will find it works. So you do like this. Okay, so 2x times plus 3, you get plus 6x. And then 2x times plus 1, you get plus 2x. Finally, you can get 8x. So it matches with our middle term. So 4x² plus 8x plus 3, you can get it horizontally. Okay, so they are 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Now it comes to the second one. So again, you also need to think there are several sets. For example, 4x². Okay, it can be 4x times x. It can be 2x times 2x. And then now you need to think about the number 5. Again, this time is an odd number. So it can be positive 5 and times positive 1. However, the middle one is negative sign. If both of the constant term, they are positive number, you cannot get negative 21x. So this time, the two constant terms, they should be negative sign. So again, this time you can try negative 5, negative 1, or it can be negative 1, negative 5. Okay, then you can see whether it works or not. Okay, for the first set, let's try. Okay, x times negative 5, you get minus 5x. And then 4x times negative 1, you get minus 4x. It doesn't work because the middle one is not negative 9x. However, if you do with the another set, then you can see that negative 1 times x, you already can get negative x. And then negative 5 times 4x, you already can get negative 20x. So when you add up this, then you get negative 21x. So it matches with our middle term. So now you can get it horizontally. So 4x² minus 21x plus 5. You can get 4x minus 1, and then times x minus 5. So as our final answer. So you no need to check the second set, okay? Only one of them can make the answer.